What's up, you guys? So big shout out to Auxito for reaching out and sending me some LED lights to try out. They also gave me a discount code for you guys, so I will put that link in the description. I'm also going to put it right here somewhere. I'm also going to do a side-by-side comparison with the light bulbs that I'm actually running right now compared to Auxito. I'm going to wait for it to get dark so I could go ahead and do a before and after. It does come with some gloves, some zip ties, and there they are. Now they do come with some fans on them, and I read that they spin about 10,000 RPM, which is kind of crazy. Also, my favorite thing about them is that usually when you get LED lights, these little squares, they're like this big, and they're like, you could just see them wherever they're at. These ones, you could just tuck them away, so that's my favorite thing about them. So the sun finally went down, and real quick, you could visually see a difference in the quality from a regular light bulb from O'Reilly's compared to Auxito. So massive difference. Also, I'm gonna just go ahead, connect the Auxito one on this side, and I'm gonna connect the O'Reilly's light bulb on this side. So after I get all that situated, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights on and show you guys how they look. Alright, lights are on. Alright, so this is a regular light bulb from O'Reilly's, and this is Auxito, so massive difference. Also, I forgot to mention that this is low beam, so they do go brighter. So I'm gonna just go ahead real quick, change this light bulb, and show you guys how it looks with both of them on. Alright, so I got both of them on, and they're very bright, you guys. I'm not gonna stop saying that because, well, you guys can see for yourself. Also, you guys can tell on the wall how bright it is. And I think this is low beam, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put it on high. Alright, so I'm gonna just go ahead and flip the switch, and yep, it got brighter. I don't know if you guys can hear, but the little fan is on right now. Pretty quiet, but you can't hear it. But again, big shout out to Auxito for reaching out. But I think that's it for this video, so subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.